Hi everyone, this is Dr. Praveen S. Patil here. Today I am going to unbox this product which I got it from the Amazon, and this is a product of BPL, that is a mesh nebulizer. This is a very portable mesh nebulizer. As you are knowing, so there are three variety of nebulizer comes, that is a jet nebulizer, ultrasonic nebulizers, and this is mesh nebulizer. Commonly the nebulizers are used to mist the liquid. So liquid drug, we are going to converting the liquid drug into a mist form, so that will be easy for the inhalation. So in that, so as I told, that is the three variants comes, and this is a mesh nebulizer. So micro pore mesh are used in this product, and which convert the very fine mist, and particles may be less than the 5 micro. Smaller the particle, then it is a better absorption. So this is a portable mesh nebulizer. BPL breath is N10. So model name is N10. It's a make of the BPL, and this is a photo of the BPL machine. And we'll open the box now, and here they have given the other products of the BPL, that is a BP monitor, nebulizer, and non-contactile infrared thermometer, etc. And the specification which is given on the box is here, that is the product specification. Product specification. So nebulization rate is more than 0.35 ml per minute. So it nebulizes the liquid of more than 3.5 ml per minute. So medication cup capacity is 10 ml. The maximum medication capacity what we can fill, that is 10 ml, and power consumption is less than 3 watt. And power supply, we can give a DC of 4.8 watt lithium titanate rechargeable battery or micro USB of 5.0 watt adapter. So we can use any one of them. And nebulizers are used to treat the respiratory related disorders like COPD, asthma, bronchitis, etc. And the usage of the medicines should be depend on the advice of your physician only. So don't use any self medication. And if your physician has advised to mix any some herbal preparations, or if you are thinking to use the mixture or solution to use in the mesh nebulizer, then this is a bad decision. So you can't use the solutions here, means higher density solutions in the mesh nebulizer. For that you supposed to go for the jet nebulizer. The contents of this pack are the main unit. This is the main unit, and these are the mask. We get two masks here. One is the adult mask and another is the children mask. And we get a, this is a mouthpiece, and usually the mouthpieces are used for the children's less than more than 5 years, who can hold the mouthpiece. And we get a wire along with that, and one warning letter, and this is the user manual we get. So mouthpieces, so I was telling about the mouthpiece. So mouthpiece and mask. So mouthpieces are for the babies who can hold the mouthpiece inside their mouth. So babies lesser than 3 years or 5 years, they we can use the mask for them. So we get a warning tag at the neck of the instrument, in which they have written, the mesh is extremely fragile. Please do not clean or touch with the cotton swab, brushes or fingernails. Please clean the medication cup after each time of use. And they have given a port to charge at the bottom, and this is the place where we supposed to put the medicine, and this is the port, that is a USB port they have given for the charging. And this is the on off button. Okay, so before starting any instrument we supposed to, means this instrument we supposed to recharge as per the instruction given in the user manual. For at least for 30 minutes we have to charge it, and after that we can use. And there is a sliding socket also given, which will hide the lightning of the that on off button. So while charging it keeps on blinking, so we can, by using the slider, we can off it also. In this user manual they have given about the safety information, product features, installation instructions, instructions to use the unit, cleaning and disinfection, storage and maintenance, specification, and troubleshooting. So my advice is, before starting the instrument, you please go through the all the instructions which are given in the instruction book, because it's I think it's something very delicate instrument, and it should be used very neatly. Here I would like to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of this product. And as you know, by just by seeing you, you can say that this is very portable, and even I can show you the while working video also. So it's a very noise complete. I can say it's a completely noise free instrument. And the disadvantages of this instrument, particularly the this mesh nebulization, or we can say it's a BPL mesh nebulizer. So this advantage is we can't place the extra batteries and use it. So each time we have to charge it, and when there is a charge is present, then only we can use it. So in some other mesh nebulizers where we can use the extra batteries and charged batteries, and we can use the product also. So there is, I think, after using this product I felt only that is the biggest disadvantage of this product. And the rest of all things, the I have seen the another mesh nebulizer also, so which is bit noisy, and this product is entirely completely a noise free instrument, you can see here. So it emits a good amount of moist, and as the particles, if it is very minute, then it's the efficacy of the that drug also increases, because if it is particles are bigger in size, then most of the particles will get sedimented or get settled in the mouth or nostrils itself. And if it enters the airway, if it is minute particles, then easily they will enter into the airway and act on the airway. So friends, this is all about the BPL mesh nebulizer. That is a very portable mesh nebulizer, and if you want to, if you wish to buy this product, I'll give the So friends, this is all about the BPL Breathe Easy N10, that is portable mesh nebulizer. So if you find it's a worth value spending a time in my channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel and forward this video to the needy people. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you once again.